Here are my 10 promises to you when selling your home. Number 1, I will do whatever it takes to sell your home. Number 2, I will provide you with an extraordinary service experience. Number 3, I will guarantee your sale or you have the right to cancel our agreement. Number 4, I am going to use my certified pre-owned home marketing strategy. This is sort of like the concept of a certified pre-owned car. I'm going to have and pay for upfront my home inspector to come in and inspect your home. I'm going to give you a $500 credit at the close of escrow to make any necessary repairs that we find during that home inspection. And I'm going to provide your buyer with a 1-year home warranty at the close of escrow. And I'm going to credit $1,000 to you at the close of escrow, which is more than enough money to cover the cost of that home warranty. So I'm paying for it. Number 5, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. So I use the best media company around. For your photos and your videos, we have drone work included. It's super important that when your buyer, who most of the time, over 90%, sees your home online, it's super important that those photos and videos pop and get the buyer interested in your home. Number 6, I'm going to do custom marketing pieces, including brochures and mailers for your home. Number 7, I'm going to do a social media campaign, including boosts on Facebook and Instagram. This is very important for your sale because I'm with Compass. One of our executives used to be an executive at Facebook. And for that reason, we get exponentially more views than any other brokerage around. Number 8, you're going to get a beautiful luxury yard sign. Number 9, in preparation for your home going on the market, I'm going to oversee all the staging and getting the home ready for sale. And then finally, number 10, I will personally be at all open houses that are needed to sell your home. Thank you so much. I look forward to working with you. I'm Josh Brenner. Thanks again. Bye-bye.